Hi guys, this is Lalit and welcome in my channel Network and Desktop Support. Today I will show you how to configure Routing Information Protocol version 1. So let's start this video. Now I am on router 1 console. I am now on user executable mode and enable mode to configuration terminal mode. Now I am changing hostname. Router name is R1. Now I am giving enable password is CCNA. Enable secret password is a CCNP and enter. Line console 0. Password is a CCNA login. Line BTY 0. Password is a CCNA and login. Save this configuration with do wr command. After now I am configuring interface serial 1/0. IP address is 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask is 22255.0. Clock rate is 64,000. Bandwidth is 64. No shutdown. Now I am configuring fast Ethernet 0/0. This connectivity to switch. This is the router first. This is the data communication equipment. This is connected to router, second router, first router to second router. And there we can see fast Ethernet 0/0. Now I am configuring. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0 is IP address is 10.0.0.1 255.0.0.0 and enter. Bandwidth is 64 and enter. No shutdown and save this configuration with do wr command. Now I am going on router second. There will be same configuration on router second, only change the IP addresses. So we can see at there. Now open router second. This is the router second. I am going enable mode. Now I am going configure terminal mode. Changing the hostname R2. Enable password is a CCNA. Enable secret is a CCNP. Line console 0. Password is a CCNA. I forget to log in on configuration line console. So I am going again line console login and again line VTY 0. Password is a CCNA. Password is a CCNA and enter and login. Save this configuration with do wr command and exit. Now I am configure serial 1/0 and IP address is 192.168.1.2 and 22255.0. Clock rate is 64,000 and bandwidth is 64 and no shutdown and interface fast Ethernet 0/0. IP address is 20.0.0.1 255.0.0.0. Bandwidth is 64. No shutdown and save this configuration with do wr command. Now I am going again on router first. There I am configuration main protocol, that is a routing information protocol. So this connectivity is showing there both routers. Routing information protocol is a logical connection between two routers and two or more routers. So start with the configure RIP version 1. Now I am on router first and configuration terminal mode. Router rip command for use to configuration of RIP mean routing information protocol. Now I am on config router mode. There we can configure the routing information protocol. So network is a 192.168.1.0. This is a first network that is connected to router second, and enter. And network second is a that is connected to switch with fast ethernet 0/0 10.0.0.1 0. This is the fast ethernet network. Enter and save this configuration with do wr command. Now I am going again on router second. There will be same configuration. After fast ethernet 0/0 network will be changed. Router rip command. Now I am config router mode and network is 192.168.1.0 and second is network 20.0.0.0 and enter. Save this configuration with do wr command. And these both router now connected with routing information protocol. Now we will configure IP address on desktop of the switch on router first. This is the desktop, and IP configuration we will give static IP address 10.0.0.2. Subnet mask will be default and default gateway will be 10.0.0.1. This same configuration will be on router second. Only IP address will be changed, like IP address of static fast ethernet 0/0 20.0.0.2 250.0.000 and default gateway will be to 20.0.0.1. This configuration also done. Now we will ping for checking the connectivity between both routers and desktop and switch. So I go on router first, fast ethernet 0/0 on desktop. There I ping desktop self. After ping to routers fast ethernet 0/0 interface, and after that I will ping on router interface serial 1/0, that is a 192.168.1.1. This also ping is done. They are getting a reply for connectivity. Now I am pinging on router second, that is a serial 1/0 of router second. Now I am pinging fast ethernet 0/0, that is a port of router second, fast ethernet 0/0 20.0.0.1. Ping is done. They are getting reply. Now I am pinging router seconds on desktop, that is a 20.0.0.2. So like that we can configure routing information protocol. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget like and subscribe.